Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11i, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the camera app, and in this model it does not really matter on which mode you will be, so the photo or the video mode, whatever, all of the options are mixed together in the settings. So let's enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and here in the video settings you can see that we've got the resolution. So let's tap on it, and we've got three different options: 1080p or 720p. Both of them are with ratio 16:9, or we've got also the full screen. It's up to you which one you'd like to use, and basically all you have to do is to just tap on the option, and as you can see it will be immediately applied, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution to record the videos. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your HUAWEI Nova 11i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.